Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin, currently ranked number 1 on CoinMarketCap. I'll be showing you 5 reasons why Bitcoin bottom could be in. On-chain data analysis give compelling reasons why Bitcoin price could be in the final stages of the bottoming process. Right now, Bitcoin is trading around $16,800. Should we keep accumulating more Bitcoin, getting ready for the next bull run, or is there one final dump to the downside? A lot of people in the market are expecting Bitcoin to dump lower. Is the bottom in, or are we just still in the stage where a lot of people are still scared, not knowing the bottom is in and there's new bull run already around the corner? We'll be talking about Bitcoin on-chain data. I'll be looking at the 5 reasons why the bottom could be in for Bitcoin. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to stay updated with the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business. Guys, in the last 1 month, Bitcoin is down 14.7%. In the last 1 week, Bitcoin is down 1.7%. And if you go on a yearly time frame, Bitcoin has lost 65.6% of its value in the last 1 year, going from as high as over $50,000 to as low as $15,400. Bitcoin has been in the bear market for majority of 2022. We've seen Bitcoin go from as high as $69,000 in November 2021, dropping to as low as $15,400 by November 2022. Bitcoin is currently down 77% from its all-time high, and this is the lowest Bitcoin has done from its all-time high if Bitcoin has already bottomed, because in the previous bear market, we've always seen Bitcoin give us 80+% dumps. And if that's going to happen in this bear market, we should be expecting Bitcoin to get to the lower 12,000 region, probably trading around the $12,500 region. So everybody's expecting one last dump for Bitcoin, but are we going to see Bitcoin dump to Goblin Town, or is the bottom in for Bitcoin right now? We're going to be looking at 5 on-chain data that says maybe, just maybe, the bottom is in for Bitcoin, and maybe, just maybe, Bitcoin is in the final stages of a bottoming process. After a while in December for Bitcoin, certain on-chain Bitcoin metrics are suggesting that BTC bottom could occur in December. Here are 5 reasons why Bitcoin price is coming closer to a cycle bottom. The SLRV Ribbon flashed a buy signal. The SLRV Ribbon tracks investment flows by combining the 30-day and 150-day moving average to the SLRV ratio, which is a percentage of Bitcoin moved in 24 hours divided by Bitcoin held for 6 to 12 months. And we've seen that anytime they cross right here, just like they did in the bottom in 2018, that had always proven to be a good time to buy Bitcoin. And right now, we are seeing that same cross again. So should we be accumulating more Bitcoin, getting ready for the next bull run? According to Charles Edward, the SLRV Ribbon outperformed the Bitcoin hodl strategy, making it a strong indicator of where Bitcoin price might be heading. While the SLRV Ribbons have been bearish throughout 2022, the recent move to 16,000 flipped the indicator to bullish. BTC price slips under global electric costs. That's another important reason why the bottom might be in for Bitcoin. While it is well known that large swathes of Bitcoin miners currently operating at a loss, there is no rare phenomenon through Bitcoin's history. Bitcoin miners' total production costs include mining hardware, operational costs, capital costs, variable rate power contract, and other factors, whereas the electrical cost considers only the raw electricity used to mine Bitcoin. And right now, we are seeing signs of what we have seen in previous Bitcoin bear market bottom. So is this a very, very good indicator for us to be buying Bitcoin? Because the raw electricity cost has historically been a Bitcoin floor, because it is rare for BTC to trade below this price point. Historically, Bitcoin has only traded below the electric cost 4 times. The most recent being on November 10th, when Bitcoin electric cost hit $16,925. Are you going to be buying Bitcoin right now? Or are you going to be holding Bitcoin for the very long haul? Because guys, if you are going to be holding Bitcoin and expecting to get to $100,000, maybe $200,000 in the future, a lot of these indicators are telling us maybe, just maybe, you want to be buying Bitcoin right now, because there's a good risk to reward opportunity around the corner. Another reason is that BTC miners selling hits a peak. Miners are still losing money with production costs above the spot price of Bitcoin. The current level of Bitcoin mining selling is the 3rd largest in history, with the other 2 events happening when Bitcoin was at $2. That's in 2011, and when Bitcoin was at $290, and that was in 2015. So is this the opportunity of a lifetime for you to accumulate Bitcoin? In hindsight, investors would have loved to pick those prices back then, and Edward suggests that the current Bitcoin price may resemble a similar value. A lot of indicators we are seeing is showing us that Bitcoin has gotten into historic oversold region. Bitcoin got to the lowest we have ever seen it on its RSI on a weekly time frame. In this bear market, Bitcoin is trading below a lot of important moving averages. So if you're going to be holding Bitcoin for a long time, I think this will be a very good time to buy it. But guys, remember, you don't want to go all in. You want to dollar cost average through the process, because there's always a possibility that Bitcoin can still dump to gobbling town. Bitcoin hash ribbons confirm another miners capitulation. That's another reason why maybe, just maybe, the bottom is in. Bitcoin miners capitulation involves miners turning off their ASIC, which are no longer profitable, and selling portion of their Bitcoin reserve to cover expenses. And according to Capro Investments, during miners capitulation, a floor price forms before the hash rate starts to improve. As noted in the chart below, another miners capitulation occurred on the 28th of November. And if the analysis is correct, this will put Bitcoin's bottom around $16,915, since the hash rate has begun rising after the November 28 date. So maybe, just maybe, the bottom is in for Bitcoin. We are seeing similar patterns that we saw in previous opportunities. That was a very, very good time to buy Bitcoin. Should we be buying more Bitcoin right now, getting ready for the next bull run? Another indication why maybe we should be buying Bitcoin from the on-chain perspective is an all-time high Bitcoin hodling despite a historic price drawdown. So we've seen Bitcoin go from $69,000 in November 2021, and we've seen it dump back to gobbling town, getting to as low as $15,400. But we're seeing that a lot of people are still hodling Bitcoin. One metric used to analyze Bitcoin hodlers' behavior is the long-term hodlers' net unrealized profit and loss NUPL tracker. Throughout Bitcoin's history, the NUPL metric has only shown such a large drawdown on 4 occasions. And all those 4 occasions have proven to be a very wonderful time to buy Bitcoin. The previous occasion that we had such drawdowns represented the value of Bitcoin purchases for investors. Edward suggests that if investors view BTC price as undervalued, the choice of accumulation could further solidify Bitcoin's floor. Are you buying Bitcoin right now in the bear market? Guys, are you waiting for lower prices? Will you be accumulating more Bitcoin, waiting for when Bitcoin will go to $50,000, $100,000, maybe $200,000? Right now, we're still in the bear market. In the last 1 year alone, Bitcoin has gone from $51,956 to as low as $15,599. Bitcoin currently has a market cap of $322 billion and a fully diluted market cap of $353 billion. We have over 3.6 million people that have Bitcoin on their watch list. Where can you get some Bitcoin if you want to get some Bitcoin to hold through the bear market? If you want to buy some, expecting to get $100,000, maybe $200,000 in the future, Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer online currency. That means all transactions happen directly between equal independent network participants without the need of any intermediary to permit or facilitate them. Where can you buy some Bitcoin if you want to buy them? You can get some Bitcoin on your favorite crypto exchange. You can get it on Binance, on Coinbase, on Qcoin, on Kraken, on Bitstamp. And guys, anywhere where you can get your favorite altcoins or anywhere you can get your favorite cryptocurrencies, you should be able to get Bitcoin right there. Bitcoin is still the king of the market. Bitcoin has started something great in the crypto market. So are you buying more right now, or are you waiting for lower prices? Do you think we still have one final dump to the downside? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.